Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Gmail two-step verification for 2026. This will make signing in a bit simpler, especially if you don't want to use extra codes every time. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in using your Gmail email and password. Make sure it's the account where you want to remove two-step verification. Once you're logged in, click on the left menu and choose Security. This is where you'll manage your sign-in methods, passwords, and two-step verification. Scroll down until you see the Signing into Google section. Click on Two-Step Verification. You might be asked to enter your password again. Just follow the prompts. Now click the Turn Off button and confirm your choice. Yeah, it's that simple. Once confirmed, your account will no longer ask for a verification code during login. Before you leave, you can also review backup methods like recovery email and phone number, just in case you ever need extra security. And that's it. You've successfully removed two-step verification from your Gmail account. If this guide helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy Gmail tips.